Hi, Ray, it's Miss Hornick here. Welcome to your virtual assembly for the week. We're just going to go through a couple of reminders about home learning and then some successes for the week as well. So it's great to see that most of you are really getting to grips with the online learning. Just a reminder that you should be logging on to Show My Homework every single day. You should also be following your timetable. So that means logging on to Show My Homework at 9 o'clock in the morning and following your to-do list for that day. You should also be submitting all of your work. Some of you are submitting work for some subjects and not others. If you're following your timetable and submitting your work at the end of each lesson, there shouldn't be any work that isn't being handed in. Your activity on Show My Homework is being monitored at school, and phone calls home are being made to those who are not completing the work. If you are having problems submitting your work or managing your workload, then please let us know. We are here to support and help you. Don't sit at home worrying or getting frustrated, and don't bury your head in the sand hoping it will just go away. Okay, it would be amazing if it did, but it won't. So do get in touch with us so we can help you. So these are the students that submitted the most work last week. Okay, seeing some of the same names as before as well, which is fantastic. There were lots more of you who had submitted some lots of work as well. These are just the students whose names came out on top. Okay, so really well done, guys. If for whatever reason you haven't been able to submit as much work as you'd like to this last week, it resets every week. So if you didn't get on the list for this assembly, you can always get on for the next assembly. Okay, so really well done to all those students. So last week I set to you a cooking challenge. And these are some of the submissions I received. Okay, it was absolute torture sitting at my desk, starving, getting all these pictures of cake and food. It looks absolutely delicious. So really well done, guys. So for this week's challenge, being a music teacher, I thought it should be something musical. There's a website called Chrome Music Lab that you can just type into Google and click on Songmaker. Okay, I'll show you in a moment. Or you can just type in the address into your browser. And I want you to compose a piece of music that represents elements of your lockdown experience. So perhaps at times it's been loud and chaotic if you're trying to do your work and you've got siblings around you making lots of noise. Maybe it's been peaceful and calm. Maybe sometimes it's just been a bit boring. Let's be honest. You can't see your friends as much. There isn't as much to do. So just compose something that reflects your experience. It might even be a combination of all three. So when you get to the website, it will take you here. And you can just click around to make your melody. You can add some percussion as well. You can change the tempo, change the speed, change the instrument. So yeah, just have a little play around. When you're happy with it, click save. It will give you a link and you can just copy it and post it to me and Show My Homework. So yeah, have a little play and I look forward to receiving your submissions. See you soon.